Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. This casting is by Burago. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the SL out of its box, and it looks good. Since we are here, let's look at these wheels. They look good. They are rubber and they kind of mimic the actual wheel, and they have suspension in them. Even on the side, other details looks good, like the curving doors, the grill here, the Mercedes bench badge, and this design cues. They look good. No mirrors though. Up front, again, nice details. You've got detailed headlamps, you've got detailed grill, you've got 300 SL written on the number plate. You've also got the bumper in chrome. No windshield wipers either though. Coming to the driver side, looks almost identical as we saw on the passenger side. Coming to the back, again good details here. You can see detailed tail lamp, got the chrome bumper, again 300 SL on the number plate, 300 SL on the trunk too. Also got the Mercedes patch here. So good details overall. Yeah, it has opening hood, so you can open this up and let's see what's inside. I'm struggling with the gloves to open it. There you go. So there's the engine, some details on that too, so it looks good. Even the engine bay doesn't look bad. This radiator, everything. I don't know if the camera can show you all that, but yeah, looks like a nicely detailed engine bay. So overall, I think it's a nice casting. It's not bad, and yeah, could do up with some more details, but for the price, and it isn't bad.